having a noise under the dashboard of your 2014 or 2012 Camry. You can see, you can hear that. Okay, so this is embarrassing. I'll show you how to replace the damper on the steering column and get rid of this rattling noise when driving. You can see, so embarrassing. Oh no. So we will be replacing the steering column damper. Undergoing the process of removing each and every rubbers holding it, and this is the actual thing we are looking for. So we are going to drop this column that you're seeing right here. This is the column. We are bringing down the column. On the steering. Okay, the screw is not more there. We are just going to pull off. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove each and every connector that leads to the steering that you're seeing right here. Then before we forge ahead to lose out the steering column. So we are going to be removing this nut holding the steering column. We have the 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we have 1 also at this point right here. You can see that this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's a 12 mm wrench. We have the nut right here. I was loose from this position. Okay, so I have 1 over here, and I'm using this. It's almost out, and we have the last one. This is it. You can see this earth right here. We have it right here, and we are going to lose it out. After we remove this knuckle bolts, then we are going to separate the steering. So this is where we are heading to. We are going to open this side. We are going to open this 12M, 12, and over here we have 10M. 1, 2, 3. You can see right here, and this is the steering damper. You can see we have the steering damper damaged. It has pieces. So this is causing the noise actually, and this is what we are going to replace. Wow, that's damaged. Okay, so we are going to clean out these ones and install the new damper. And this is the new damper we are going to be installing. Okay, so this is the new steering column damper that we are going to be installing. This is the actual culprit of the noise we are hearing when driving this particular vehicle. Okay, so I'm removing the hood. Right now, and we are going to be coupling back. We are going to be coupling back. But for the mode of installing, if you look closely, we see that we have a 4-pin right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4-pin that you're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4 is what we are going to be setting to this key points 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure they are all aligned. And once it has set, then you guide the boat back. After tightening properly, then you are going to be installing it back. Okay, so right now it's to install the steering column back to the position. I'm done with this area, and for the connectors, don't forget to connect back. And also this earth right here, to tighten back the earth. So I've tested the vehicle and you can see that the rattling noise is no longer there. Okay, if it were to be before, then you will be hearing pa pa krrr, and I've drove the car and there was no noise again. Okay, so you can see the simple fix to solve this rattling noise on your 2012 or 214 Camry or any electric steering probably. Okay, so watch out for other videos on this channel. See you guys in the next video. The diagnostic.